Out there.
Each and every day is Michael Seger,
That's
right?
true.
Michael Seger in the Weather Center
Every day
for
I walk
us.
in, he says, "Hey, Justin," and he's always in a good mood.
He's always in a good mood.
2 a.m. He's like,
You're always in a good mood. It's like you're the cheermeister all year round.
I tried to do it. You know, by the way, I went home to Indiana over Thanksgiving, and I flew, and I came back into Tulsa at night, and just seeing all the Christmas lights, you know, all lit up from the air.
Amazing.
It was very cool sight to see. Weather-wise for us, not feeling very Christmassy at all. We've got mild temperatures to finish out the weekend, and we got a lot of wind to contend with today. Those winds are going to be quite strong and gusty out of the south, 15 to 30 miles per hour, gusts up near 40 miles per hour. So hold on to those hats today with a strong south wind. Maybe not quite as strong tomorrow, but we'll still have a pretty good gusty south wind tomorrow. Some gusts over 30 miles per hour. And then notice on Saturday, we changed the wind direction north to northwest. And that's a cooler wind direction for us, and those gusts could still push about 30 miles per hour. So it'll be kind of blustery and a little chillier once we get into Saturday. But with south winds, that's usually a warm wind for us, and we are certainly going to feel that today. Temperatures mid-60s at around lunchtime. Going to go with a high around 69 degrees. It'll be close to 70, but it would not surprise me if somebody in green country did make it to 70 degrees this afternoon, and still very comfortable and pleasant at 6 o'clock, 62 degrees. Again, comfortable temperatures. Will enjoy some sunshine. Just got to handle that wind, because that wind will be quite strong, and most of us will be up into the 60s this afternoon for our highs. And we'll keep it comfortable through the evening hours, staying into the 50s through 9 and 10 o'clock tonight. In fact, we'll stay into the 50s all the way into tomorrow morning. That's what that south breeze will do, hold temperatures up. We'll also notice more clouds beginning to roll in tomorrow as we draw up more Gulf of Mexico moisture. We've got some high-level clouds filtering through right now. Again, these are upper-level cirrus clouds made of tiny little ice crystals. It's going to be an awesome sight, though, once that sun starts to appear on the eastern horizon. You get these high-level cirrus clouds at sunrise or sunset. You start to get some amazing color. So looking forward to seeing that this morning. Now, a low-level cloud cover is going to increase tomorrow with the southerly winds bringing up Gulf of Mexico moisture. So we'll have a lot of low clouds waking up tomorrow morning. Here comes the frontal system that's going to cool us off into the weekend. And just ahead of it, we may get a couple of showers and storms to pop up tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Most of us will stay dry, and then the chillier air begins to move in as we head into Saturday. As far as any severe weather potential with those storms tomorrow evening, there is some. It's not a very high risk, but we can't 100% rule out at least a marginal threat for some gusty winds or some hail, especially south and east. It does look like this front's going to come in a little faster than what we were forecasting earlier in the week, so that's why we pushed this severe threat a little farther to the south and to the east. So the fact that the front's going to come in already tomorrow evening, that will help lower any severe weather potential, but we're not out of the woods for those of you to the south and east. And again, just something we've got to monitor. Most of us will not even get a single drop of rain with that front coming in tomorrow evening. As we head into the weekend, cooler temperatures, not terribly cold though, although Sunday morning we'll have lows down into the 20s, back to near 50 Sunday afternoon, and looking comfortable to start out next week. Seasonably cool conditions with highs in the 50s. We'll get a look at when our next chance of rain could move in toward the end of next week in that 10-day forecast coming up in the next half hour.